Have you ever felt that your investment in SAP hasn't delivered? You're not alone. This is a common sentiment we hear all the time. Despite SAP's extensive features, it often becomes a source of frustration rather than a competitive advantage. The startling reality is that most organizations utilize less than 35% of SAP's potential. This underutilization leads to inefficient processes, poor customer service, and inflated inventory levels. Beyond not tapping into SAP's powerful capabilities, many teams find themselves overwhelmed by the complexity, spending endless hours wrestling with the system. This struggle ultimately drains morale and productivity. However, the core issue isn't SAP itself. It's the lack of effective business user knowledge and education. We just don't know what we don't know. It's time to break free from this cycle. At Reveal, we deeply understand these challenges. For over 3 decades, we have helped organizations optimize their SAP supply chains and operations, boosting process efficiencies by 25%, increasing service levels by 20%, and reducing inventories by as much as 15%. Imagine your team confidently utilizing SAP to deliver exceptional business results. With Reveal TV, this is not a dream, it's a reality. Reveal TV is the ultimate solution for SAP mastery. With expert-led video tutorials and AI guidance, we transform SAP's complexity into a strategic advantage. Unlock its full potential with Reveal TV. Start your free trial today and experience the difference.